Hello everybody, this is the tutorial for my BTS Love Yourself, Speak Yourself concert nails. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I use Peel Off base coat, which I always link in the description box. Next, paint all of your fingernails white. Across the thumb, index, middle, and ring fingernails, I'm writing Love Yourself, Speak Yourself. For the thumb, I'm going to be writing the initials in hot pink, so I started with the Y, and I'm also going to be writing the L next to it. On the index fingernail, I'm going to be drawing a rightwards pointing arrow on the left edge of my nail. And then I'm going to be writing Speak in Speak Yourself. On the index fingernail, I'm going to be writing your, so I started with the U, and I'm going to be writing the O next. Always start with the middle letter so that you can center the whole word. Now for the ring finger, I'm going to be writing self. So I started with the heart on the right edge. So I started with the midline, and then I could draw the two halves of the heart and fill them in with purple polish. And I'm going to be writing self backwards, so we'll go from F, L, E to S. Next, I removed all of the striping tape that I used to section out the area. And for the pinky fingernail, I'm going to be drawing a simple rose pattern that mimics the rose garden that the boys are sitting in on their poster. So I took a light pinky nude, and I'm just adding a few splotches here and there, and those will be the base for the flowers. And these can be very messy. They actually look a lot better if they're messy, so I just added a lot all across the nail. And I'm taking a hot pink, or you can use a red, and I'm just drawing a bunch of like C shapes and like wide squiggly lines and curves so that you can like show the petals. And then you just want to repeat all the following steps for the other roses, and it's going to look wrong, I guess, up close, but from afar the roses will turn out looking organic and realistic. Your mind will sort of fix it. It's kind of mind-boggling, but it happens. Like, I'm watching it now and I'm like, actually that turned out a lot better than how I thought it was when I was painting it. And if you think that this design is really simple, it was actually on purpose because I wanted to make something that was more accessible for you guys to recreate if you are going to the upcoming concerts. I was actually planning to get this uploaded before RoseBowl, but that did not happen. So here it is, and as you guys can see here, I'm just filling in the empty space with some of the light pink and also some like red or hot pink dots. And I'm also going in with a mucky green for the base of the leaves, and I'm also going to go in with a fresher green and white as well to add some highlights and shadows, because if you look in the poster, they kind of look wrinkly, old, and so on. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat across all of the designs. Make sure to float the brush across the top because we do have words and you want to make sure that people can see them. For the roses though, it can be a little bit messy, and that's fine. So that is it for this video, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye everyone!